Welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to open a Google Colab Notebook directly from your Google Drive. If you work with data, scripts, or machine learning projects, this simple skill will save you time and keep your workflow organized. Whether the notebook was shared with you or stored in your own drive, the process is quick once you know where to look. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Google Colab website. You can simply search for Colab and the official page will appear at the top. When the Colab homepage loads, you'll see an interface that feels like a blend of Jupyter Notebook and Google Docs, giving you a clean space to write and run code right in your browser. At the top left of the screen, click the File menu. A list of options will appear, and the one you need is Open Notebook. This is the gateway to accessing any notebooks stored locally, shared with you, or saved inside Google Drive. Once you click Open Notebook, a new window will appear with several tabs. One of the tabs is Google Drive. Select it, and Colab will start pulling up the notebooks stored in your drive. If it's your first time connecting Google Drive to Colab, you may see a quick authorization request. Just allow access so Colab can display your files. This is completely secure and only enables you to open your notebooks directly. After authorization, you'll see a clean view of your drive. You can access your recent files, browse your folders, or search for a specific notebook. Take your time to navigate to the file you want. Colab will show all your .ipynb files along with any shared notebooks that other collaborators have added to your drive. Once you find the notebook you want to open, simply click on it. Colab will instantly load it in a new tab. You'll be able to edit code cells, run scripts, add new sections, connect to a runtime, or continue your analysis exactly where you left off. Everything loads seamlessly, so there's no need to download files or worry about syncing changes. This process makes it incredibly easy to organize and manage multiple projects. Keeping your notebooks in Google Drive ensures your work stays safe, automatically backed up, and accessible from any device. It also makes collaboration simple, since shared drive files can be opened in Colab with just one click, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully opened a Google Colab Notebook straight from Google Drive. With this workflow, you can work faster, share more efficiently, and keep your projects secure in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped make your coding experience smoother. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.